It's time for another product quick view. Let's check it out. Today we're taking a look at Superior Essex part number 11096KD0L. Now this is a 96 strand, dry light, loose tube, single jacketed, all dielectric cable. UV resistant jacket. You got water blocking tape inside. Optical fiber and gel-free buffer tubes. There's the tape I was just mentioning. The outer diameter is 0.50 inches. Approximate weight is 79 pounds per thousand. Minimum bend radius is 10 inches during installation. We also have the fan-out kits for the 250 size that go over the buffer tubes there, and all kinds of other accessories. For more information, visit discountlowvoltage.com.